Your team answers the same question 50 times a week. Here's what we've built so you don't have to. Meet Sunny, the custom AI agent we built for Sunshine Realty. Trained only on their actual policies, cites every source, works 24/7. Before Sunny, this question interrupted the broker 4 times a day. Now, 3 seconds. Pulled from section 2.1 of the actual commission policy, source cited right on the bottom. Pet policy question that used to take 20 minutes of back and forth? Answered instantly. Breed restrictions, pet deposits, the next action the agent needs to take. No broker interruption, no guessing. 10 documents, 248 pages, 3 seconds average response. One source of truth for the entire team. Here's how we work. We built it in 14 days. We run it every month. Monitoring, updates, retraining, reporting. You own the knowledge base. No lock-in, no black box. Cancel anytime. If your team is drowning in repetitive questions, let's talk. 20 minutes, no pitch. The link's below. AISystemsBuilders.com.